gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you some friend mail. Okay, guys, so I was expecting one of these packages, so I went to my P.O. box to pick that package up, and to my surprise, there were two in my P.O. box, so I was like, okay, now I gotta open these as soon as I get home. I was so super excited. So, one of my packages is from one of my subscribers. Her name is Kris. She does not have a channel. And then I have another package from Miss Louise. That was the one that I was not expecting. Super excited to see what Jean has in store for me. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so I'll start with the package that I got from Kris. And again, Kris does not have a channel, but she did reach out to me on Instagram and she let me know that she also has a son who is on the autism spectrum. Now, her son is 18 now, and she did send me a photo of him, and he is very handsome. So it's nice to talk to somebody else who's in the same boat with you. So it was really great that she reached out to me, and she had mentioned that she wanted to send something to my son. And what's even more special about whatever it is that's in this package is that she picked it out with her son. So her son had a say in whatever is in here. So let's see what it is. Okay, so here's my package. Woo! I just cut it open, guys. I didn't open it all the way because I wanted to do that with you. So let's see what she's got in here. Oh, this is so fun, guys. Okay. Okay, squeezed it out of there. Alrighty. This is what it looks like when I put it out. Oh, she's got a card in here. Oh. Okay, we'll start with the card. It says Amber and Noah. Let's open this up and see what the card says. May God's blessings be with you today and always. Oh, this is a beautiful little card. Look at that, guys. Oh, it is so pretty. You just want to frame it and put it on your wall. That's really pretty. Okay, it says, Amber, my son and I wanted to send a little something to Noah when Elijah, his name, oh, I love that name. When Elijah was growing up, we used these to help calm him when his sensory overload kicked in, or just to help him go to sleep at night. Big hugs to little Noah. Love, Georgia mom, Kris. Oh, and Elijah. Oh, that is so sweet, guys. Oh, thank you, Kris. That is so special. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I love talking to you guys. I love when you reach out to me on Instagram and I get to chat with some of you guys. So if you're on any of those other social media channels, Instagram or Facebook, I am on there as well under @ambazars. Just wanted to throw that out. And you guys can always email me too, but I'll get back to you sooner through Instagram or Facebook rather than email. Okay, what do we got here? It's called a liquid timer. Ooh, it sounds fun. Here it is. Oh, I can't wait to give this to him. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, this is cute. It's called Lemon Star. So that's was in the package here. So, oh, these are so fun, guys. Oh, wait. Oh, and there's one in here, too. What does this say? May my love forever light your way to a blissful heart and happy soul. A gift with deep love. Oh, how sweet that is. Let me show that to you guys first. That was inside the box here. That is so sweet. Wow, what great packaging. Okay, guys, look. These are so fun. Look at that. He has something similar to this and he loves it. He loves it. It's a great sensory type thing. So there's also a lovely little green one. Look at that, guys. Oh, it is so fun. Let me turn it upside down so you guys can really see what these things do. They are so fun and they are great for sensory type situations. It's like calming. I feel like it's calming to watch this. Now this one here, how does it work? Ooh. Oh, look. It has, on this side. Okay, I'm sorry. So oh, look how fun that is. Oh, wow. He doesn't have one like this. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. He's gonna love these. This is awesome. Look at that, guys. I mean, isn't it relaxing just watching it on the video? I feel like it is. Wow, thank you, Kris, and thank you, Elijah. How special this is. That was so, you did not have to send us anything, but man, he is gonna love these. Thank you so much. This is so incredibly special. I can't thank you enough. It really warms my heart that you thought of my son and that you picked something out with your son for mine. Thank you so much, Kris and Elijah. This is really special. I will definitely hold these near and dear to my heart, even when he hopefully progresses with his autism and is a little older. These are still soothing. Like, these are good for any kid. You know what I mean? This is great. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next package came from Louise. I was not expecting it. It was there when I went to pick up the package from Kris and Elijah. So, woo! I hope it's not fragile, Jean. Here's the package from Jean. And guys, check this out. I mean, hello, Louise. Super big. How cool is that? I mean, that's like the coolest thing ever. So as soon as I got the package, I knew who it was from. It says it right there. Louise. That is so cool. If you guys do not know Jean, oh my gosh, you have to go to her channel. She is such a super, super sweet lady. And honestly, I definitely want to make a point to hopefully get to meet up with all of you at some time, at some point in our lives. But I really do want to hook up with Jean at some point in my life. Soon. I'm just saying. Okay. Here's what it looks like when I open it up. It's all mysterious, guys. Okay. So we have a card. Awesome. Oh, she's got her little trademark of the ladybug on the back of the card there. Super cute. That's Popper. Oh, stop. Where did you get the card, Jean? Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh my gosh. This is the best card like ever. Look at that, guys. Oh. Something's falling out already. Look at the card, guys. What? That is the cutest card ever. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And there's confetti falling out. Oh, yes. She's got all kinds of goodies falling out of the card here. Here's some really cool flowers that I can actually definitely reuse. Look at that. Definitely reuse these at some point in something. I don't know what, but we'll have to see. I'm going to put this aside here. Okay, then it says, Amber, just a few things I thought Noah might like. Ooh, I picked them up while shopping for my nephews. Also, a few things for you. Not much. Oh, that's so fun. Love you, girl. Look at these ladybugs trailing up. How cool is that, guys? Yes, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, it's like the best card ever. I'm excited about the card. I'm just saying. Oh, you are awesome, Jean. Okay, let's open this up and see what she's got in store for us. I thought you might be able to do some DIY with this. Oh, okay. What do we got? Seamless fabric sleeves. It's a stretch-on face cover, but you guys know I'll turn it to... Okay, hold on. Let me show you guys. Let me take her little note off. Let me show you guys what it is first. Okay, this is what it is. I love craft challenges, guys. So if anybody wants to challenge me to make something out of something, just like put it in a comment or reach out to me on Instagram or something. I'll be glad to try and do that for you guys. Okay, so here's what they are. Let's see what I can do with these, guys. Jean says that she thinks I can do something with these. Any ideas, guys? Does anybody have any ideas what I can do with these? I'm just saying it's definitely going to be a brainstorming time for me. What am I going to make with these? All right, you're on, Jean. I will figure it out. Okay. But you said here, oh my God, that is so funny. I saw this. Look at this. This is a postcard, guys. How cute is that? I saw this postcard. I think it was on Kel's Metal Joy's website. If you guys are not familiar with Kelly, she also has a YouTube channel called Kel's Kitchen, and she sells postcards on her website. I will link it in the description box below, and she had these on there. So I definitely was going to get this for myself, and I put it in my cart, but I don't have to. Jean's got me covered. So I'm going to frame this actually and keep it because that is just too cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Jean. You are, yeah, we're on the same page here. Oh, stop. Yes. Ah. Okay, so we have a Batman cupcake liners. That is awesome. This is the thing, guys. I might not use them for their intended use. We'll have to see. They are really cool. Like really cool. I was going to say freaking cool, and I just didn't. But yeah, I might craft with these and not use them for cupcakes. Just like, I love them. Okay, that is awesome. All right, so cool. Okay, and she's got this protected so that it doesn't leak out, and I think I've sealed and unsealed it twice now. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, Spider-Man body wash. Oh, yes, please. Was this for Noah? I'm just saying, you know, Mom might like it. It's watermelon scented. Look how cool that is. Yes, yes, yes. I'm sure he'll love it, Jean. This is so, so awesome. And I want to smell it. She's got it taped, but I want to smell it. Like, I almost have to smell it. You know, I just really want to see what it smells like because it said watermelon. So, let's give it a smell, guys. I'm just curious. Oh, yes. Okay, it's supposed to be for Noah. I'll give it to him. I always do that to you guys, but I will. Oh, what is this? Recycle Me. Turn your recyclables into art. 4 fun projects. Oh, I love it! And it's for 4+. My son turns 4 in a few weeks. There'll be a giveaway for his birthday. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys. Look how fun this is. How perfect is that for someone like me? Like, you know, I'm crafty. My son is turning 4. I love to do these types of things with him, but he does get bored often. I know you guys don't really see him in like a lot of my videos and stuff when I'm doing stuff with the kids. That's because he's not interested. Like, I don't force him to do anything that he doesn't want to do. So if he doesn't want to decorate the cookies and he'd rather run around and play with the dog, then I'll let him do what he wants to do. He doesn't have to. But of course, I had set up a spot for him to decorate cookies and he just was not interested at all. So before we started filming, I just divvied up the cookies between the other 3 kids because Noah just didn't want to do it. But this type of stuff he's very interested in. Anytime I'm making something, he's very interested to see what I'm making, what I'm doing, and he tries to help, and it is the most cutest thing ever. I should get some footage of that because I don't ever put that in, you know, when I'm doing my DIYs and stuff like that. So I definitely will start doing that, but this is awesome. Jean, this is so fun. I'm super excited. I'll definitely do a video with him and I doing this together, and then I will definitely think of something for the sleeves that she sent to me. Maybe I can, you know, these two can join forces. I don't know. Let's see. What can I come up with? So these are supposed to be like this, right? We're not doing that, but this is what this is for. So, fine. That's fine. I'm going to do something completely different. Maybe I can use my Wish mystery box disaster product for that. I'll brainstorm. All right, guys. Again, if you have not checked out Jean Louise, please make sure you guys jump over and check out her channel. She is so incredibly fun to watch. I love Jean. Love, love, love Jean. I can't say that enough, and I think that you guys will love her just as much as I do. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. A huge thanks to Kris and Elijah for sending Noah such a lovely gift. I am so, so excited to give that to him. I'm sure he's going to love it. And I just can't say thank you enough. Thank you doesn't seem enough when people do things like this, but I really don't know what else to say, but thank you. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! There was another package in my P.O. box. So without further ado, should I do it that way? Or should I say who they're both from? Okay, try it again. Okay, guys, so I was expecting one of these packages, but I was very surprised that there was another package in my P.O. box when I went to pick the one package up. Did that make sense? One package, this package, that package, whose package? It sounds like a riddle. Try it again. And let me know that her son was also on the autism spectrum. Do you talk much?